Tourmaline can be diagnosed by its tetragonal or trigonal prismatic form, 7.5 hardness, white streak, vitreous luster, irregular fracture, and its special property is striations along C-axis. Tourmaline occurs in pegmatitic granites. Black tourmaline is common, especially schist and gneisses. Brown tourmaline is common in metamorphosed limestone, and it occurs in some high temperature metalliferous veins. Pyrophyllite can be diagnosed by its white to pale brown color, hardness level less than 2.5, white to pale yellow streak, and pearly to vitreous luster. Pyrophyllite occurs in quartz-bearing hydrothermal veins and in low to medium grade metamorphic rocks that are rich in aluminium. Pyrophyllite is used in ceramics. Staurolite can be diagnosed by its hexagonal prismatic form, dark brown color, resinous luster, and twinning. Staurolite occurs in medium grade metamorphic rocks. It also occurs in aluminium-rich gneisses and schist. Please check out our latest videos where we studied the detailed characteristics of these minerals. I will give you the link of these videos in comment section or give cards here. That's all for today. See you in our next video.